Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all the fashion items I bought within the month of August. And given that I have acquired so many things already, it's highly unlikely I will be adding any more for this month. And yes, we have a lot to go through, so let's start. I recently picked up two items from an Australian brand Assembly label. With the first one is this 100% cashmere knit in a gorgeous blue shade. This shade brings me joy. The jumper is in a classic style and it's very lightweight and soft, not too thin and not too thick. I went one size up, which is a size 10, because I like the oversized feel and look. This was not an intended purchase because, let me be honest, I already have a lot of knitwear. But I am a sucker for cashmere, especially in a color that I really love. I went into the store with the intention to check out a pair of jeans, but ended up walking out with two items. And the second piece are these cotton shorts. They are in a classic style, but it's the color that really caught my attention. But I'll be honest, it's actually the price that was the selling point. These are only $20, and my justification here is I have a lot of neutrals in my casual summer wear, and this is just the perfect pop color. I took advantage of the extra 25% off from the Bassike outlet store they had over a weekend, and I picked up two items. With the first one are these cropped cargo style pants in a khaki color. There's a bit of stretch to the material which makes them so comfortable, and which is perfect for casual days where I'll be running around with a toddler. The second piece from Bassike is this thick cotton knit top. I like the high neck that almost is like a bolt neck with bat wing like sleeves. The stripes are quite striking and they are actually in a navy color, but due to lighting it doesn't seem to pick up well on camera. This is such an elevated casual item that I can see myself wearing with different combination of bottom pieces in warmer months. From COS, I picked up two items. With the first one is this beaded necklace. I must say it feels very well made and there's a bit of weight to it as well. Although I still question myself if this was the right purchase because black was not my choice, but because of the quality, I decided to buy it anyway. Also from COS is this cotton twill midi skirt in a navy color. I love the cut and the shape of it. The material is quite thick and a bit heavy though. I got it in a size 34 instead of 36, which is my usual size because it sits better on my hips. This is such a classic style and it fills a gap in my wardrobe for a smart A-line midi skirt that I can wear to work. I recently rediscovered my Hereu fisherman sandals in my wardrobe, and whilst I was looking up the style name, I came across these flats from the brand. These flats are so nostalgic because they reminded me of a pair of flats that I owned many years ago that I wore them to death. These flats are called Llasada and I bought them from Senses. They are made from soft suede in a dark chocolate brown. They are so comfortable to wear. Next up is from the brand Massimo Dutti. I was very excited to learn that they are now shipping to Australia, so I decided to test out with two purchases. With the first item is this midi cotton skirt. It has a thick waistband that creates this drop waist effect. Pity though that it does not have side pockets. It's in a chocolate brown, but it has a warm tone to it. It's very lightweight and I cannot wait to wear it in summer months. The second item I got from Massimo Dutti are these sandals. They are in kitten heel and I just love the unusual design plus the crinkle leather. They are in a dark chocolate brown and they have square toe and I just love the look. They are quite comfortable to wear. I must admit I have been bombarded with a lot of sales, so I couldn't resist temptation, hence the next purchase that I got from The Iconic, which is an Australian fashion online retailer. This is just a standard baseball cap from Nike for 23 bucks. I love the color and again I wanted to incorporate a pop of color to my outfits and I think this just fits the brief. Also another purchase from The Iconic is this t-shirt from Ralph Lauren in a navy color. I like the cut of the short sleeves and the fit on me. It fills the gap in my wardrobe because I actually don't have any basic t-shirts in a navy color and I feel like I am inclining towards this color for some reason. And best of all, it was 30% off. I bought another pair of barrel leg jeans, and these are from an Australian brand, Rolla. I know this style is not to everyone's cup of tea, but I love it. The curve on these jeans is just next level. I love the fit and how they hug my hips and waist. They are in a dark blue wash, which again fill in the gap in my wardrobe. I got them in a 26, which is my usual size, and they were 30% off as well. And of course, lastly, from my favorite Australian brand, Viktoria Woods. I should really stay away from this brand. So whilst I was at the outlet store, I dropped by Viktoria Woods and picked up this shirt. This is from their new season range. And what I liked about this shirt is the color combination and the banding details at the back, which give it a slight cinch waist look. I did have a brief moment of regret though, because I found the shirt is quite long, so can only wear it with long length bottom pieces rather than cropped length, which limits its versatility. Purchase in store does not entitle for a refund, but a credit or exchange instead, which is a bit of a BS to me. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you for dropping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!